Tools Introduction. Water inlet installation. Take off the left side board. Connect inlet pipe. Access electronic control systems. Take off the right side board. Plug in fire wire, orange, brown, and black wire. Connect to L1, L2, and L3. Plug in 0 wire and ground wire. Blue one is 0 wire, yellow one is ground wire. Go through the reserved hole. Wire should not block the switch. Connect power supply. Plug in fire wire, 0 wire, and ground wire. 3-phase 380 voltage is required. Detect voltage. Turn off electricity switch before detection. Detect the voltage between 3 sets of fire wire. The first one is 0 wire. Detect the balance of 3-phase electric. Start the equipment. Turn on electricity switch. Press power button. Thanks for watching.